Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all the viewers are doing good. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of earbuds, case, crochet ideas. It's very beautiful covers. These designs and these covers are protect your mini cases and your earphones cases, so must make this beautiful design and must purchase these designs, these collection, because it is very useful and very unique collection. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful mini ideas and handmade crochet items, because crochet is our cultural beauty. So I share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most amazing ideas. I really hope that they will love this most popular collection. Your cases are very attractive when you use these beautiful covers. So viewer, thank you so much for watching this video, and for those people who are searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a most amazing collection for them. If you all love this article and if you want more and more designs, like my video and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me friends. See you soon. Bye bye.